Microsoft just gave Windows 11 Copilot voice and vision capabilities. Users now can say, "Hey, Copilot," and issue voice commands. And with Copilot Vision, the AI can see what's on your screen, look at apps, images, documents, and then take actions on your behalf. Lets you perform tasks like organizing files, adjusting settings. Microsoft says it's opt-in and screen data aren't stored after you do stuff. But this is really kind of going from chatbots or some of the basic vision-oriented LLMs to, being able to just say computer and then interacting with your PC the way they did in Star Trek.
I have maybe some mixed feelings because on the one hand, I think this could be incredibly useful, especially if I'm thinking about the digital divide with certain segments of people and they're like, I'm not really sure how to do this. And if you could literally just tell your computer, like, I want this thing to do this thing, and you can use your own discussion as opposed to knowing where to click and what to open, all that kind of stuff. But like, if your computer can see everything you're doing, I haven't really decided, is that like strictly cool or strictly creepy? And where is that line? Because, all of us kind of joke about how Siri listens to us or the Amazon Echo listens to us, and we're kind of like, well, they need to stop listening. But we also like that they listen because it's useful. But this is like listening at a next level if your computer is literally watching you.
I'm really fascinated to see how companies draw this boundary, because you're right, like some of the creepiest stuff is also the stuff that provides the most value. And there is this real question between, is it watching what you do, but we can also control what it remembers. That kind of real-time access with the right privacy controls. I think we'll find a balance there. But I do think this idea of being able to just say what you want to have happen and see it happen, I think it's actually really useful. But also, the current computer use models are pretty slow. It doesn't feel like this is going to be a general purpose, a capability for quite a while to do anything other than some pretty basic tasks.
Yeah, I think that's right. When you hear the description, it sounds pretty freaking cool. When you watch the video of what it actually does, I was like, meh. It felt like the video, a lot of the use cases that they were touting were still just like shopping use cases. But the capability of the technology could do a lot more than that once it's sort of refined. So definitely something to watch.